You don't need a fancy degree or tech skills to make money online. In this video, I'm dropping 5 proven ways to make $50 a day, starting with zero experience, using methods real people are cashing in on right now. Ready to change your game? Let's dive in. First, microtask websites like Clickworker, Amazon Mechanical Turk, or Remotasks. These platforms pay you for super simple tasks, tagging images, filling out quick surveys, or doing basic data entry. You don't need skills, just a phone or laptop and some spare time. Work 1 to 2 hours a day and you're pocketing $10 to $30 easily. The best part? You can do this while binge-watching your favorite show. It's low-effort cash you can start earning today. Next, flipping free stuff. Head to Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, search for free, and grab something decent: chairs, tables, old electronics. Clean it up, maybe add a quick polish and relist it for $30, $50, or even $100. Start with one item, reinvest your profit, and keep flipping. Hitting $50 a day? Totally doable. Pro tip: focus on trending items like storage bins, shelves, or chairs. They sell fast. Third, sell printables on Etsy. No design skills? No problem. Use Canva. It's free, and tap into their templates to create budget planners, calendars, or habit trackers. It takes minutes to make something sellable. List 5 to 10 products with smart keywords like minimalist planner or student budget sheet, and you're set for passive income. Each sale brings in $5 to $15, and once your shop is live, it's a set-it-and-forget-it money machine. People are buying these every day. Why not from you? Now, let's talk about usertesting.com. This is a goldmine for beginners. You get paid $10 to test websites or apps, just by sharing your honest thoughts. No experience needed, just a device and your opinions. Each test takes 15 to 20 minutes, so if you knock out 2 or 3 a day, you're banking $30 to $50. It's straightforward, pays fast, and anyone can do it. Sign up, start testing, and watch the money stack up while you help make the internet better. Last, freelancing with a little help from AI. Platforms like Fiverr or People Per Hour let you offer simple services, writing social media captions, bios, or product descriptions. Don't think you're qualified. Think again. Use free AI tools like ChatGPT to craft professional-grade work in seconds. You set your prices, deliver fast, and build a reputation. Start with small gigs, like $5 to $10, and scale up as you get reviews. There you go. 5 dead simple ways to make $50 a day, no experience required. Pick one, commit, and start today. No more excuses, just action. The only thing stopping you is you. Drop a comment below and tell me which method you're jumping into first. Want more tips to stack cash fast? Smash that subscribe button and join the hustle. Let's make it happen.